Congratulations, recruit! You've just taken your first step into the exciting world of red teaming. Think of yourself as a cybersecurity superhero, trained to think like the enemy and expose vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. You're here to help organizations improve their defenses by simulating real-world attacks. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to put yourself in the shoes of a hacker. You'll be probing systems, exploiting weaknesses, and hopefully, not setting off any alarms in the process. It's like a high-stakes game of chess, but instead of pawns and bishops, you're dealing with firewalls, malware, and social engineering tactics. Your first day will likely involve a lot of listening, learning, and getting familiar with the tools of the trade. You'll be working alongside seasoned professionals, soaking up their knowledge and understanding the methodologies they use. Be prepared to ask questions, take notes, and embrace the steep learning curve ahead. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every red teamer needs a diverse set of skills to succeed. This isn't just about knowing how to code, it's about understanding how systems work, how people think, and how to exploit weaknesses in both. One essential skill is social engineering, the art of manipulating people into revealing sensitive information. Think phishing emails, fake phone calls, even infiltrating physical locations. It's all about using deception to gain access. Then there's vulnerability assessment, where you'll scan systems and networks for weaknesses that could be exploited. This requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of security protocols. Once you've identified vulnerabilities, you'll need to know how to exploit them. That's where penetration testing comes in. This is where you get to put your hacking skills to the test, using tools and techniques to bypass security measures and gain access to sensitive data. Remember, it's not enough to just find the vulnerabilities, you need to demonstrate the real-world impact they could have. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of social engineering. This is where psychology meets cybersecurity. It's about understanding human behavior and using that knowledge to your advantage. Imagine this. You need to gain access to a company's network. Instead of hacking their firewalls, you target an employee directly. You craft a convincing phishing email, disguised as a message from their bank, asking them to verify their account information. The employee, none the wiser, clicks the link, enters their credentials on a fake website, and boom, you're in. That's the power of social engineering. It's not always about brute force, sometimes the easiest way in is through an open door. As a red teamer, you'll learn how to craft compelling pretexts, identify potential targets, and exploit human weaknesses to gain access to sensitive information. Remember, the goal is not to harm anyone, but to expose vulnerabilities and help organizations strengthen their defenses against these types of attacks.